I was looking for a sign that would reassure me that they were not going to be hostile or aggressive. So he's just given me a little gurgle, which is his first sign. Yeah, you lovely boy. It's the first sign that he's being friendly. You want to say hello to Victoria? Come a bit closer, V. So I'm trying to just get Victoria a little bit closer to him so he can see her, and I'm hoping that he'll accept that she's part of my group and not be threatened by her. Maybe just come and sit on the edge here a little bit. Just come and sit here. There you are. Come just sit here. So he's just vocalized to Victoria now. A very friendly gurgle. So I think he's accepted her. So he's just talking to you there, you see? He wants you to hold him. There you are. Oh look, he's really loving that. That's so sweet. He absolutely loves that. Okay. Alright, he's a big boy. Yeah, that's so clever. I think I've lost my wife.
Hello, baby.
You boy. Oh my God, that's just so sweet. Isn't that? I think he's completely in love. He's smitten.